Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to homeschooling. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe our channel and press that notification bell for more interesting videos. Today in this video, let's see 10 lines essay on unity in diversity. 10 lines essay or speech on unity in diversity. So let's start. And one small request, friends, and if anybody is watching for the first time, please subscribe our channel homeschooling, and if you like our videos lines, then please do share our videos with your friends and family, and do comment us in the comment section how you feel about this video. So point number 1, unity in diversity means an interaction between many types of people. Point number 2, unity in diversity is being united even after living separately. Point number 3, we are living in a society of unity in diversity. Point number 4, our country India is of different traditions and cultures. Point number 5, we can find unity in diversity at schools, colleges, or workplaces, etc. Point number 6, unity in diversity enhances the quality of teamwork. Point number 7, our country India is a best example of unity in diversity. Point number 8, being united helps us to make our life Good. Point number 9. Peace, harmony, togetherness, and brotherhood are all because of unity in diversity. Point number 10. Unity in diversity is our biggest asset which lasted in our country. India since ages. Unity in diversity. So yes friends, that's the last point of unity in diversity essay or speech. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you like these lines on unity in diversity. I hope it will be helpful for you to write your essay or something else, okay, in project or activities. So yes friends, please subscribe our channel and press the notification bell and hit the like button and comment us what you feel about this video. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.